Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of Singapore Maths Academy videos. Today we're going to look at an average problem, and it's an 11 plus problem, so it's normally a challenging problem. Let's jump onto the board and see what we can do. So it says here, the mean average of 7 numbers is 9. One number is removed and the mean increases to 10. Find the number which was removed. Now this question is generally taken quite poorly by many students, mainly because you remove a number but the mean increases, which is very unusual for children. How can that happen? Is that even possible? So the way we go through this question is to try to visualize the problem and understand what's happening. So first of all, what I might do is I might just draw, it says 7 numbers, so I might just draw 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got 7 spaces to represent the 7 numbers. And what I would probably do and ask children is, what do we know about these 7? We don't know them individually, right? We don't know which one is, well, we don't know any of the values, do we? Right? So what do we do? What can we work out? I know that there are 7 numbers and the mean is 9. And so all together, I can work out the total, the sum of the 7 numbers, right? 7 times 9, 63. The sum of the 7 numbers must be 63, because 63 divided by 7 gives me that 9, which is the mean. We know the mean is when you add them all together and divide by how many there are. So 63 divided by 7 is 9, so it must be 63, the sum. So then it says one number is removed. So let's say we've removed this number. Now the mean increases to 10. Now the mean of these numbers, right? The mean is 10. And so if the mean is 10, what is the sum going to be? Now don't forget, we don't have 7 numbers anymore. We've got 6 numbers. We've got 6 numbers that have a mean of 10. That must mean the sum must be 6 times 10. The sum must be 60, because you know 60 divided by 6 gives me that mean number, which is going to be 10. So if the sum is 60 for all of these numbers, and the sum is 63 for all of these numbers, the number that we've taken out must be 3, because 60 add the 3 gives me that 63 again for the 7 numbers. So the question is, find a number which was removed. 3 must have been removed, because now we have 60 as our sum, not 63. And 60 divided by 6 gives me that mean of 10. And I know that 63 divided by 7 gives me that mean of 9. So it must be 3 as the number that we removed. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Now, this type of question is a bit of a challenging one. And so what we need to kind of remember with mean and average questions, typically when they give you the mean, they want you to work out the sum. The question, the problem has got something to do with the sum. So if our children understand that, if they've given you the mean, then what can you work out is the question I would ask. If you can work out anything, that would be a good start, right? What can you work out if they've given you the mean? You can only work out the sum if they've given you how many numbers are in the data as well. So in this case, in our first part of the problem, we had 7 numbers, then 1 was removed and we had 6 numbers. So we can work out the mean for both 7. So we've been given the mean for both 7 and 6. We can work out the sum, for both 7 numbers and 6 numbers, and that's how we solve this problem. So don't forget, if you're given the mean and the number of numbers there are, then one of the key things we have to start thinking about is sum. That's probably where the question wants you to go towards. Okay, everyone? Let me know if that makes sense down below in the messages. And if you like the video and it's helped you, please do like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.